Meaning of Freepost.
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 Freepost. Freepost is a term that refers to a type of postal service offered by some companies and organizations. It allows the sender to cover the cost of postage on behalf of the recipient, so the recipient doesn't have to pay anything to receive the mail. This service is often used for marketing and promotional purposes, as it makes it easier for companies to reach potential customers without them having to pay for the postage. Overall, Freepost is a convenient and cost-effective option for businesses looking to communicate with their customers through direct mail.